Here's how to fix if YouTube full screen is not working on your phone. Now, if you're on your phone and you wanted to watch a video in full screen so that you can maximize every single pixel on your phone, iPhone, Android, whatever it may be, there are a couple different things that I'm going to walk you through to get that fixed. Now, let's hop into YouTube here and I'll show you what I mean. I can tap on a video here and I can just rotate my phone, and all I have to do is now take my fingers and swipe them out. Basically, take my fingers, two fingers, and pinch out, and it will zoom to fill that entire screen. You can see every single pixel on my phone is now being utilized. Now, if that is not an option, there are a couple different reasons why. One, potentially, is if you just turn your phone and it doesn't switch over to full screen, you might have the rotate lock turned on. So swipe down from the top right. You can see this portrait orientation lock might be on. If that is on, just toggle it off, and now you'll be able to turn your phone and it will switch to full screen. Now, another reason why that is a bug on your phone. Let's hop into settings here and let's tap on display and brightness. And then let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on display zoom. Now on here, for some reason, if you choose this larger text instead of the default, then you cannot zoom on the YouTube app. So I recommend switching to the default zoom mode here. Basically, it might be called standard or default depending on which model you have or which iOS version you have. But I recommend switching to this default. And then when you hop back into that YouTube app, you should be able to zoom in to the entire full screen. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.